The Indian Space Research Organization has created history by accomplishing the most difficult task of soft landing Vikram lander module near the south pole of the moon at 6:04 hours today evening as part of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. It had to decelerate the lander, which was moving at the speed of around 6,000 kilometers per hour. The lander equipment had to bear the assault of lunar dust, and the lander had to change its position from horizontal to vertical angle. The scientists call this phase as the 15 minutes of hell. The lander overcame all of these challenges before touchdown. Prime Minister Narendra Modi